So welcome back to online class. Now the next problem. So minimize and maximize. Minimize and maximize. Maximize. Z is equals to x plus 2y subjected to constraint. Subjected to constraint. Subjected to constraint. X plus 2y greater than or equals to 100. 2x minus y less than or equals to 0. And 2x plus y less than or equals to 200. Where x and y which is greater than or equal to 0. Now, to solve this problem, so first equation, this is first equation, and this is second equation, and this is third equation. Okay, to solve this equation, first take first equation, x plus 2y is equals to 100. X plus 2y is equals to 100. Now, x and y, when x is equals to 0, so what is the y value? Y value is 50. And y is equals to 0, x value is 100. Okay. Now, for the second equation, 2x minus y is equals to 0 here. So x and y, when x is equals to 0, what is the y value? Y value is 0. And y is equals to 0, what is x value? 2x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 0 divided by 2. X is equals to 0 divided by 2, we get 0. For third equation, 2x plus y is equals to 200. 2x plus y is equals to 200. Now here, xy, when x is equals to 0, so what is y value? Y value is 200 and y is equals to 0, x value is 100. Now graph for this. Cannot visible. This is x and here y. Okay. Now, when x is for first equation, when x is equals to 0, y value is 50. Is approximate 0, 50, and here y is equals to 0, x value is 100. This is 100, 0. Join the straight line, these 2 points. Now, this is the equation of a line. X plus 2y is equals to 100. Next, for second equation, x is equals to 0, y is equals to 0, and y is equals to 0, x is equals to 0. The line is passes through origin. So this is the line of 2x minus y is equals to 0. 2x minus y is equals to 0. Now for third equation, x is equals to 0, y is equals to 200. X is equals to 0, y is equals to 200. That is 0 comma 200. 0 comma 200. And x is y is equals to 0, x is 100. X is 100. Same thing here. 100 comma 0. 100 comma 0. Okay. Now joining these 2 points. Now this is the equation of a line. 2x plus y is equals to 200. 2x plus y is equals to 200. Now first, to find out the shaded region, to find out the visible region here, for first equation, x plus 2y, which is greater than or equals to 100. So greater than or equals to 100, the shaded region is move towards upside. Okay, for first equation, the shaded regions are, this is the shaded region for first equation. Now for second equation, okay, which is less than or equals to 0, okay, moving towards left hand side, this is the shaded region for second equation. Now for the third equation, the shaded region, that is 0 is less than or equals to 200, which is true. True means the shaded regions are moving towards origin side. For third equation, the shaded region towards origin side. Now here the common region. This is the common region. Is called visible region. The common region is called visible region. This is the shaded region and common region. For this corner points are, this is the common region, this is the visible region. Okay. For this the corner points. Here this is the corner point. Okay. This is the corner point. That is finally. So corner points and corresponding value of z, that is z is equals to x plus 2y. Now the corner points, a is equals to 0, 50, and b we don't know, and c we don't know. Okay, and d point 0, 200. Now we have to solve the intersection of these two lines. Okay, for the first equation we have to solve here. For the first equation, x plus 2y is equals to 100, and the intersection of a line is origin line. That is 2x minus y is equals to 0. 2x minus y is equals to 0. Now, so multiply the second equation. Multiply the second equation by 2. by 2. What we get? So x plus 2y is equals to 100. Here 4x, okay, minus 2y is equals to 0. On solving these two, adding these two, we get 2y get cancel. Now 4x plus x, 5x is equals to 100. 5x is equals to 100. Therefore x is equals to 20. X is equals to 20. Now substitute in the equation number 1. Substitute in the equation number 1. We get 20 plus 2y is equals to 100. Now 2y is equals to 80. Y is equals to 40. Y is equals to 40. Now the point B. This is the point B. Point C. Now the point B. X is equals to 20 and y is equals to 40. X is equals to 20 and y is equals to 40. Okay. On solving these two equations, these two interlines, okay, intersection of these two lines, we get the point x is equals to 20, y is equals to 40. Okay. Again we solve the second intersection of a line. We get the point on C. Okay. The second line, that is 2x plus y is equals to 200. 2x plus y is equals to 200. Similarly, the intersection of a line, that is 2x minus y. 2x minus y is equals to 0. By adding, we get y get cancelled. Here 4x is equals to 200. Therefore x is equals to, so for 200 divided by 4 5s are, therefore 50. X is equals to 50. Substitute x is equals to 50 in the equation number 2 or 3. We get 2 into 50 plus y is equals to 200. Okay. Therefore, so this is 100 plus y is equals to 200. Therefore, y is equals to 200 minus 100. This implies y is equals to 100. Y is equals to 100. Therefore, the point C is 50, 100. Point C 50, 100. 50, 100. Now we get all the corner point. That is A point is 0, 50 and B point 20, 40 and the C point 50, 100. Okay. And the D point 0, 200. Okay, by using graph we can get exactly the value. Now the B point, so 20, 40 and the C point 50, 100 and the D point 0, 200. Now substitute the value in the objective function z is equals to x plus 2y. We get A is equals to 0, 50. Therefore z is equals to x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 2 into 50. What is 2 into 50? That is 100. For A point 100. Next, for second point, for B point, x is equals to 20. X is equals to 20 plus y is equals to 2 into 40. Okay. that is 100. 20 plus 80 is equals to 100. For point C, 50 comma 100, 50 comma 100, that is, so 50 plus 2 into 100, that is 250. 50 plus 2 into 100, 250. For the fourth point, x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 2 into 200, that is 400. That is 400. Now, so we have to maximize and minimize the z function. Maximize and minimize the objective function. Okay. Here maximum value is 400. Maximum value is 400 at the point. Maximum value is 400 at the point 0, 200. 0, 200. And minimum value is 100. Minimum value is 100 at the point 0, 50 and 20, 40. 0, 50 and 20, 40. Finally, conclusion, right? Z is maximum at the point 0, 200 is 400. Now, Z is minimum at the point 0, 50 and 20, 40 is 100. Note down. So first solve the equation. And to find out the corner point, this intersection of a line, we have to solve this intersection of a line, we get the point. And here also, this intersection of a line, we solve this intersection of a line, we get the points. Okay. And this is feasible region. We draw a feasible region. Okay. And finally we get the answer. No doubt. Now next problem. Now the next problem. Minimize and maximize. Please mute audio and video. So minimize and maximize. Z is equals to 3x plus 9y. Okay, 3x plus 9y, and subjected to the constraint. Subjected to the constraint. X plus 3y less than or equals to 60, and x plus y greater than or equals to 10. X is less than or equals to y. X is greater than or equals to y, and y is greater than or equals to, sorry, x is greater than or equals to 0 and y is greater than or equals to 0. For this equation, we have to maximize and minimize the objective function. We have to maximize and minimize the objective function. Now, the same thing. First, we solve the equation. We get the points. That is x plus 3y is equals to 60. Okay, and this is the equation number 1. When x is equals to 0, y is equals to, when x is equals to 0, what is the y? Y is equals to 20. Similarly, y is equals to 0, x is equals to 60. For second equation, x plus y is equals to 10. Now x and y. For this, x is equals to 0, y value is 10, and y is equals to 0, x value is 10. Okay. Now, for third equation, x is less than or equals to y. Here, when x is equals to 0, y value is 0, and y is equals to 0, x value is 0. This line is passes through origin. This line is passes through origin. Now, on solving these two equations, okay, by plotting graph, okay, by plotting graph, on x is equals to 0, so y value is 20, that is 20 comma, 0 comma 20, and y is equals to 0, x value is 60, that is 60 comma 0. Join these 2 points. Okay, this is the equation. This is the equation. X plus 3y is equals to 60. And x is less than or equals to 0. The line is passes through origin. This is the line. X is less than or equals to y, or x minus y is equals to 0. X minus y is equals to 0. Okay. Now, for this equation, x is equals to 0. For this equation, x is equals to 0, y value is 10. Y value is 10. That is 0 comma 10. And y is equals to 0. X value is 10. That is 10 comma 0. Okay. Joining these 2 points. This is the points. Joining these 2 points. Now this is approximately came. Okay. This is approximately came. Now we have to find. Just to close this. The origin line. Okay, this is the point x is equals to 20, x is equals to 20, x is equals to 0, and y is equals to. So this is the line. This is not the line. Wait a minute. When x is equals to 0, y value is 20. Okay. Suppose this is 10. This is 20. This is 30, this is 40, 50, and this is 60. Okay, here also 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. When x is equals to 0, y is equals to 20, that is 0 comma 20, 0 comma 20 and 0 comma 60 the point, this is the point 0 comma 60, that is 60 comma 0. Joining these 2 points, okay, this is the equation of a line x plus 3y is equals to 60. So better understanding, so draw the graph in the graph book, okay. And second line x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 10. This is the line that is 0 comma 10 and this is 10 comma 0. Actually this line, okay, this is the equation of a line x plus y is equals to 10, x plus y is equals to 10. Now for this equation 1, the shaded region for the equation 1, shaded region is true. For the equation 1, the shaded region is true. The shaded region is come towards origin side. For this equation x plus 3y which is less than or equals to 60, because we substitute 0 and 0 here, we get 60, okay. Therefore 0 is less than or equals to 60, which is true. Therefore this line, the shaded line, is moved towards origin side. Now for the second equation, here 0 is greater than or equals to 10, therefore which is not true, which is false. The shaded region move towards upper side, above the origin. Finally, which is x is less than or equals to y, therefore the shaded region is moved towards left hand side. This is left hand side. Now the common region is visible region. This is the common region. Now this is the common region. To solve this equation and this intersection of a line, we get the point. So 5 comma 5, and here so 15 comma 15. I already discussed how to solve these lines, how to solve the intersection of a line. Okay, this point is A and this is B. Okay, and this is C point 0 comma 20 and D point 0 comma 10. Okay, or ABCD like this. Now corner points. And corresponding value of Z. That is Z is equals to 3x plus 9y. Now the point, that is A. The point A is 5 comma 5 and point B is 15 comma 15 and point C 0 comma 20 and point D 0 comma 10. On this point we substituted in the objective function, we get, okay, for this point Z is equals to 3 into 5 for first point, A point, 3 into 5 plus 9 into 5 that is equals to 3 5 are 50 plus 45, that is equals to 60. Here the point is 60, the value is 60. For the second, z is equals to 3 into 15 plus 9 into 15. Okay, now 45 plus 135. How much 45 plus 135? That is 481, 180. 180. Now for the third point, z is equals to 3 into 0, plus 9 into 20. Okay, that is 180. And fourth point, z is equals to 3 into 0 plus 9 into 10, that is 90. Now, what is the minimum and maximum value? The minimum value is 60 at the point. The minimum value is 60 at the point A is equals to 5, 5, and maximum value is 180 at the point 15, 15 and 0, 20. So finally, the conclusion, right? Z is minimum at the point. 5, 5 is 60, and Z is maximum at the point. Okay, 15, 15, 0, 20 is 180. This is maximum value, and this is minimum value. These are all exercise problems. Okay, this is 12.1 exercise problems. Okay, in the next class, we discussed about different types of linear programming problems. That is manufacturing problem, diet problem, and transportation problem. So manufacturing problem, diet problem, and transportation problem. All of you bring the textbook. Okay, for solving the answers. Solving the questions. Not done. Close that door.